Good morning. This is Frank at Stalkers, 29th of February, just about 8 o'clock Central Standard Time. Just want to give you a quick update. We're going to be opening up our website this week. Give us some feedback at tradestalkers.com. And then by the end of this week, we hope to be opening our first trade room. So give us a call, give us an email. Let's get started this morning. It's got a few things popping up here, testing a couple things. So let's hope it doesn't interfere with us today. First of all, last night we opened up at 1943, overnight high of 1948, and we had a low of 1927.75. And as far as news today, we've got the Chicago PMI at 8:45. We got pending home sales at 9, and then there's a Dallas Fed manufacturing survey at 9:30. Other than that, we're probably kind of quiet today. See how the market absorbs the stuff over the weekend. So if we take a look, like we said, we just opened up here at about 1943 and consolidated sideways till about 10:30 last night. They had growing concerns from some of the European stuff, oil prices, and China's announcement from the central bank started dropping off right down in here through our zone, right into a major pivot point of 1927.75, and then we gradually worked our way back up, right up into here, and this was at 4 o'clock this morning, so right back down it, kind of retesting the 24-hour VWAP and our median average here. As you see, we just did the retest and came right back up and went on a steady head of climb ever since then. So far, right here, where overnight high is 1948, which is about where we are. Um, pulled back just a little bit into the zone. So let's take a look at what we might do today. If this little uptrend holds right here and this double top doesn't get us here at the market open, you want to look for a bounce right here about the 1944.75 area for long, taking our first target here at the 1949 to 1951 area. We can also get a direct shot right up to 1954 if they want to be real aggressive and the buyers are really up to it this morning. So at this 50% retracement line, we might eke up to this zone at 56, but we're going to get a pullback back down to the 50 area, maybe all the way come back and retest this 48. So be cautious right here. Look for the rebound, and then to go long, next target will be the 1959.75. Again, strong resistance right here at that level. Pulling back into the zone, could pull back to the 50% at this point, and then at 54, and then go right back up to this next zone at 66, and into this zone. So this 66 to 69 could be a struggle to get through at this area, so be very cautious for some consolidation there. If we continue on up, next target would be the 74.75 to 76.50 area, and then next target's up in the 1980 area, and then we could possibly reach, if there's a good jump today, 1990. So it's not always about having been right about where you are, just having a plan to go where the market is going, because we can't control it. But a key area will be this 61% retracement today, so watch for that. Now on the downside, if this market decides to drop off here, we're going to have to wait for a close all the way below the 3650 area. We want to get through the median average and our 24-hour VWAP, and we want to get through this zone. Obviously, first target's going to be, a double or triple bottom right in this zone at 1929 area, possibly down to 1927.50 for true double top or double bottom, I should say. And then we're going to come back up and retest this area again at 36. And it's just truly going to be heading down for a while today. We're going to start looking for targets at the 22.22 down to 1920 area, all the way back to this 38.2 retracement. So be real cautious in this area. If we get down to this, we're going to get a bounce probably back up to retest the morning lows of 28, and then right back down to this zone for another target of 1912 to 1910. After that, we're looking at targets in the 1902 area and 1987 or 1887 area. So be real cautious. Our next major support down here at 1863. Let's hope we don't come back and test that today. So it's not always about knowing exactly where the market's going, but having an idea, having a plan to trade either direction. Again, watch the consolidation today between the 48 and 28 area, kind of a wide area. So not impossible to trade, but could be some consolidation here. So be cautious, be careful. Interested in giving us a tryout this week as we start up the new website, new skins, will be some great discounts to follow us along, see how we're doing. Any questions, give Frank a call at tradestalkers.com. Let's talk to you later. Have a great day.